Welcome students. In this video I'm gonna show you a proof for limit of a linear function. So let's start by writing the definition of epsilon delta proof. Epsilon delta limit definition. It says that for every small epsilon greater than 0, there exists a delta greater than 0 such that if absolute value of x minus a is greater than 0 and less than delta, then absolute value of f of x minus the limit is greater than 0 and less than epsilon. So now the proof. Let f of x equal to mx plus b. And we show that lim as x approaches a of f of x is equal to L, the limit, which is equal to f of a. So we say consider absolute value of mx plus b is equal to I'm sorry, we can say something like f of x minus L is equal to f of x minus f of a is equal to mx plus b minus f of a absolute value, which is equal to mx plus b minus f m a plus b, and that's equal to mx plus b minus b minus ma, that's equal to mx minus ma, and that's equal to absolute value of m, absolute value of x minus a. And then we say let delta equal to epsilon over absolute value of m, and then we say this ensures that f of x minus the limit is less than epsilon whenever delta is equal to epsilon divided by absolute value of m. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.